Want to know how this baby face is grabbing attention, going viral, and making money online? Then don't miss the live webinar happening on 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on August 1st. Because in this webinar, I'm going to reveal something that's blowing up online right now. It's called BabyFace, the world's first AI tool that turns any adult photo into a viral talking baby podcast style videos in under 60 seconds. And guess what? People are using it to go viral, get millions of views. Brands are using it to grab attention like never before. And everyday users, just like you, are using it to make real money on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and even in affiliate promotions. Whether you are a content creator, influencer, business owner, or just someone who loves trends, this tool gives you a fun, easy, and insanely shareable way to grab attention and monetize it fast. This isn't just a tool, it's an opportunity. Attend the webinar and I'll show you exactly how to use it. Plus, you'll get a special limited time discount just for showing up live. Hit that registration button below and let's turn your face into views and those views into revenue with BabyFace. Because let's be real, the internet loves babies, especially when they can talk, sell, and make money for you. I'll see you on the webinar. Cheers.